Hey guys, what's going on? So this is another one on just Facebook ads. Again, this is just for brand awareness. I don't have any. I feel like if you want to get right now jobs for sure on Facebook through Facebook ads, you need the coupon. You need to hit them with a coupon. Like basically give them a out of this world price and then upsell another service. Like you know, everybody hates the $99 guy, but a lot of big companies will come in as a $99 company and then they just start upselling stuff, right? So that's not what I'm doing here. I'm just doing brand awareness. If I wanted to get right now customers, I'd hit them with something like 30% off coupon codes, or, you know, veterans half off, or something like that. But I'm not, that's moves that I make whenever I don't have any work, right? So down here, I got this as my description. Is your house, blah, 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 and then okay, and give us a call today for a free quote. And I don't want this media, so select media. I don't want this either. So I'm going to my page, my Facebook business page, to pull something. I'm gonna pull this, delete that last media, and then select. And I gotta wait for it to download so I can try to see if it went through. So this is what the ad will look like. I got a new little ad video I need to try out and test, but right now that's what we're going. Again, always through people, choose people you choose through targeting, right? Let me make sure I got this how I want it. The one ad video I did, I realized I forgot to add. These are suggestions from my picks, from whatever data my page pulled from people who usually click on my ads, what they like. Right here you can see Adams Ridge Boulevard. I'm using an address so that I can target down to 4 miles. That's all the more I want to target. If you use a town, they're going to make you target within a 10-minute radius or 10-mile radius, and that's a lot bigger of an area. So I'm just going to go ahead and try all these out. And there's other stuff you can do too for detailed targeting. These are just some I'm going with. Come on, come on. Save it. So I'm not doing a big budget. I'm doing $2 a day. It's $10. I'm just going for, you know, brand awareness. And I'm really just using this for a how-to, just showing you guys how I do it. I'm just going to go with Messenger and Facebook on this. Because Instagram, I don't know. I don't do very well with it. My pixel is down right now. I'm working on it. Domain. Actually, my pixel, for some reason, I had a crash on my website, and I still have it down from a while ago. I should have just put it in with the DNS, and it just keeps, I don't know what the heck's going on. I gotta fix this. This is driving me insane. But yeah, where's my, I'm gonna have to fix that domain issue before I put this up. I'm gonna have to fix that pixel issue before I put this up. And what the heck, who gives a crap? It's just for brand awareness anyways. But this is where people mess up the most. They'll go smart audience, or else they'll go people who like your page, people who engage with your page, people who like your page and are similar to them. So you guys, a lot of you are having people in like the Facebook groups and stuff like your Facebook business page and your adding them to your regular. You want to make sure you choose people through targeting, right? And you want to target down to small areas and test how your ads do. You don't want to make them big, huge, wide area. It's as simple as this, guys. Like, it's not, there's nothing really crazy hard to this. If you guys want me to put you together some small videos for social media marketing, or if you want me to help you with your Facebook ads, I'm not one of these guys that are going to charge you $300. Like, it's ridiculous. But again, I believe this is more just for brand awareness, but I can help you put a video together, and we can work on a deal or something if you want. Please feel free to reach out if you want me to set something up for you, but this is how easy it is to do. Happy fishing.